PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning offers professional AC system design in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, creating customized cooling solutions for residential and commercial properties. Our experienced HVAC specialists evaluate your building size, layout, insulation, and cooling requirements to design an air conditioning system that delivers maximum comfort and energy efficiency. We focus on proper system sizing, airflow distribution, and equipment selection to ensure reliable performance and long-term savings. A well-designed AC system helps maintain consistent temperatures, improve indoor air quality, and reduce energy costs. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for expert AC system design services tailored to your comfort and efficiency goals. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a AC system design near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Is AC system design necessary for new construction projects? Yes, AC system design is essential for new construction to ensure proper cooling capacity and airflow. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania works with homeowners and builders to create customized air conditioning systems that meet the specific requirements of new homes and commercial buildings. Can an existing AC system be redesigned or upgraded? Yes, older AC systems can often be redesigned to improve performance and efficiency. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania evaluates existing systems and recommends upgrades, modifications, or redesigns to improve airflow, comfort, and energy savings. What is your service office for AC system design? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our local AC system design Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Cocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://peachmashfats.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/.